Paid traffic is really fantastic, but if you really want to get those profits soaring, you have to find a way to reach out one-to-one to the people who are interested in your products. Yes, you've got to turn traffic into leads, and you need to be able to send them updates about your products, your offers, whenever you want, so that you can get them to buy not just once, but again and again and again. This is called list building, and we all know it is the most important thing you can do for your business today. If you have a list of the right leads, you have a revenue source that gets you fresh sales day after day, month after month without fail. The only problem, how can you build a responsive list? The traditional method, email marketing, is overused already. Every marketer is building email lists and bombarding your subscribers. There's just too much competition for their inbox. But now there's a 100% fresh new way to create customer relationships. I am talking about Facebook Messenger lists, where everybody is easy to reach, everybody can easily see your message wherever they are, and whatever time zone they're in. Recently, Facebook started allowing marketers to build a list using Messenger and send notifications that show up as messages in their inbox. You can sign up subscribers from websites using forms just like you get email subscribers, but with only a click. They don't have to fill any forms or type out their email address. All they have to do is click a button. That makes sign up easy and increases the sign up rate exponentially. Opt-in forms are dead, and Facebook Messenger marketing killed it. Once your visitors sign up, you can send them a message anytime you want, and it goes right into their inbox. Bye-bye bounce rates. They get a ping on their phone, and they can read the message in their inbox just as they read the messages from their friends and family. The result is extraordinarily high open and click rates. Even a small list on Messenger can get you more profits than a big list on email. All you need to make this work is Sitecontact PRO. Sitecontact PRO is a 100% Facebook-approved service that automates the entire process from subscriber opt-in to messaging. Think of it as an autoresponder for your Facebook Messenger list marketing. With Sitecontact, you'll be building your Facebook marketing lists in no time and taking the advantage away from big email marketers like me. You'll be in their inbox. Your messages will be seen. You'll be the one that makes that sale. Want to see how Sitecontact works? You'll find a demo further down the page. But before you go to watch that, I want to remind you, this is the only place to get Sitecontact PRO for a one-time price. If you skip this offer now, and try to buy it later from its website, you'll have to pay more and pay it year after year. If you skip this offer, you'll need to pay $104 every year to get Sitecontact PRO. Yes, every single year. Buy it here though, and you'll not only save a lot of money, you'll also have one-time payment access and have to pay only once. You'll even get lifetime updates free of cost. If you get Sitecontact here, you get a one-time account for what's going to be the most powerful list marketing system of the future. Do yourself a favor, grab Sitecontact PRO now instead of paying monthly or yearly later. Remember, your investment is 100% protected by our 30 days refund guarantee. If you feel there's even a small reason to not use Sitecontact PRO, just notify our support team. We will revoke your access and give you back the money. So, don't wait any longer. Click on the button below and make Sitecontact PRO yours.